Hi guys, welcome to my channel India Travel. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon so to get the latest information videos uploaded in my channel. Guys, today I will show you Victoria Memorial, one of the tourist place you can say falling in the state of West Bengal. It's close to the Kolkata bus stand Esplanade, you can say. It's very close, so you can visit here. So let's go guys, I will show you view of Victoria Memorial. These have been made for the memory of Queen Victoria. These have been made in 1921. Just before entrance of the Victoria Memorial, you will get in the left side ticket counter. You have to pay 30 rupees here, and you can see guys ticket counter, and this is the entrance and exit gate of Victoria Memorial. This is guys entry gate of Victoria Memorial, and this is exit gate. This is guys entry gate, and this is exit gate. And the scenes of Victoria Memorial from outside is look like this. After getting entry, you can see the views so marvelous. Guys, on the death of Queen Victoria in 1901 year, that time the Viceroy of India, Lord Curzon, suggested to make a museum for the memory of Queen Victoria. Look at the statue guys, so beautiful, ahead of the Victoria Memorial, so great. This architect is made by the William Emerson that time, and in the year of 1906 the foundation was laid by the Prince of Wales and later King George V. Both the Victoria Memorial opened for the public in the year of 1921. This museum height is about 56 meter 184 feet. Look at the museum guys, it's so marvelous, so giant. This museum is designed and architect by the William Emerson. This whole museum was built at that time in white Macarana marble. So this whole Queen Victoria Memorial is made up with white Macarana marble everywhere. You can see the marble, white marble, Macarana marble. You can see guys, the checking process is undergoing just before the entry of Victoria Memorial, and there you can see the state of motherhood in the above of the Victoria Memorial. So this is the front view of Victoria Memorial. Let's go guys inside. So we have to go under the checking process. Front view of Queen Victoria Memorial. You can see, so nice architect designed. Whole museum is built by the white Macarana marble. This museum was built during the time of British era ruling time. To enter Queen's Victoria Memorial, they are having three ways. We are taking the left way, and the luggages are checked here. After entering, you can see the front view of the Queen Victoria Memorial, and there the statue of the Queen Victoria, so beautiful. Look at the statue guys, and the inside gallery of the museum. Look at the top, so beautiful, nice architect. This museum was built by the William Emerson, and look at this is Victoria statue, Queen Victoria statue. So great, amazing view inside the Queen Victoria Memorial, the gallery. Look at around, so nice architect. The whole museum is built by the white Macarana marble. Look at the tops, bottoms, so beautiful. I will show some more views. This is the inside gallery of the Queen Victoria Memorial, and in the middle Queen Victoria statue, and some boxes during the British era ruling time, well preserved. You can see some memories are written in the bottom, so nice. Look at this inside gallery of Queen Victoria Memorial, and in the middle the Queen Victoria statue. Let's further move ahead, guys. I will show some more views, I mean inside gallery. Here you can see the books is preserved, well preserved by the personnel of this museum, and some kings maharajas photos with names, British ruler and their names that time, I mean their names. You can see the viceroy and the cannon that time was used for protection purpose. You can see everything is well maintained, their photos with their names during British ruling time. And there you can see Lord Clive statue, one of the British ruler in that time, is kept in the right side of the gallery. Everything is well preserved. You can see, I mean memories with the photos, some written memories. You can see this is, guys, Government Museum of West Bengal, India. Some memories of graving someone's body near Ganga river. Different memories are preserved here in the Queen Victoria Memorial, and their swords, the equipments, their armors they used for their protection during that time. You can see everything, their books, the written histories also well preserved. And guys, don't forget to check out my description box. I have given everything how to come to this place. There you can see the statue of King George V. As I told you earlier, the Prince of Wales and King George V laid the foundation stone of this museum on 4th January 1906. This photo shows that how the museum was built during 28th November 1916. Clearly shows that this is the final initial stage of building this museum, Queen Victoria Memorial. Everything is mentioned, the construction of this museum. And here you can see Raja Maharajas, British soldiers talking with the Mughals, some conversation you can see in the left side. And look at the top of this museum, guys. So nice architect by William Emerson. Traditional boat they used during that time, British era, you can see. And lots of memories, collections. Wherever your eye will go, you will find the collection, how this museum was built that time, the viceroys of British empires, the clothes, ancient Indian, the way of living, some British ruler you can see, and initial construction of this museum, how the museum looks like that time during the initial stage. So everything from the starting of this museum's construction up to finish, everything is mentioned, well preserved also by the government of India, West Bengal. Guys, I have given my another channel link in my description section. Go to my description section, subscribe, share and like to that channel also. See this ancient traditional clothes they used during that time. A local hat also, what they called I don't know, have weared, and something is written. You can see some memories. Another type of clothes with traditional hat, and this is ancient Indian villages scenes. Shows that a man is carrying some food in his backside and another man is taking traditional hookah. We are just right now going upwards to see the bottom view from the top. I will take you. So guys, you can see the stairs are, I mean just going like rounding. See this, guys, just rounding. And just right now we have entered in the upper section. I will show you the bottom, how it looks like. See this, guys, in the middle the statue of the Victoria, Queen Victoria.
Actually, the statue is being made. I mean, the foundation led by the King George V and the Prince of Wales in 1906, and it's publicly opened in 1921. So huge. This has been, guys, 184 feet height is, which is about 56 meter. You can see, so beautiful. I am just taking the shots from the upper section. So beautiful, and look at around, so beautiful. The architect is made by the William Emerson. So beautiful, you can see. I will take you the around section.
So guys, this is the inside gallery of Queen Victoria Memorial, and it's built about height of 184 feet, equivalent to 56 meter. See, everywhere is marble, white Macarona marble. This Queen Victoria Memorial having made, and the architect is designed by the William Emerson. You can see, so fine architect in the above. Let's go down, guys. I will show you garden of Queen Victoria Memorial, and this is the Queen Victoria's statue in the middle of this gallery. We are just right now at the back side of Queen Victoria Memorial. This is the backside view of Queen Victoria Memorial.
I mean, look at the architect. It's so beautiful. It just look like in the just like Western countries. You can see, and this statue, you can see, this is the state of motherhood. This is state of motherhood. You can see. So this is Victoria Memorial. Take a time to visit this place and explore. So beautiful this place is. Look at this. So nice architect. So gorgeous.
This statue is Curzon, the Viceroy of India during the British ruling time. After the death of Queen Victoria on January 1901 year, Curzon suggested that to make a marvelous memorial for the memory of Queen Victoria. So this is the memorial to remember Queen Victoria. This is the side view outside of the Queen Victoria Memorial. Small walking path, and this is the garden spread over 64 acre, equivalent to 260,000 meter square. And this garden is designed by David Prane and Lord Redesdale. So beautiful, they have designed this garden. And side view, you can see 3 naked trees in a row. This garden's take care works is done by the 21 gardeners or workers. Look at this marvelous giant memorial. Is well preserved by the Indian government, West Bengal, and also one of the finest architect designed by the William Emerson. The garden is also as much as beautiful as the memorial, spread over 64 acre, 260,000 meter square, and well preserved by the gardeners. Beautiful marigold flowers. Just look at the design of sculptures that they have put on this marvelous giant memorial is tremendous. Whole memorial is designed with Macarona marbles.
And there is a small pond, you can see. This garden is spread over 64 acre, which is about 260,000 meter square, and designed by David Prane and Lord Redesdale. You can see this is, guys, entry point of Victoria Memorial, made in 1921. I mean, open to the public in 1921, and its foundation is led by the King George V and the Prince of Wales. You can see, and there the state of motherhood. So beautiful architect, nice place.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.